Hi guys, how's it going? I'm Amanda from Amanda Around the Globe, and today I'm in Hanoi, Vietnam, and I'm gonna show you guys a tour of my Airbnb here. So this Airbnb, I'll just tell you guys as I'm walking through it. How about that? Okay, so the lighting is really contrasted in here, but here's the front door. All right. So when you come in, you see this. There's some cool decorations. There we go. There's a couch and a little coffee table and some plants. And there's actually two single fold-out beds here because they can fit 4 people in this apartment, but I am only one, so I won't be using those. I think this couch is really cute though. And then there's an entire full kitchen. Like, this is an entire apartment just for me. So this Airbnb cost a grand total of $20 a night. So crazy, so cheap in Vietnam. Here's the table, fire extinguisher, that's helpful. Here's the view. I have a pretty local address here. Like, I have to go through a couple alleyways to get here. I think that's pretty cool. I definitely prefer staying in Airbnbs over hotels because I feel like it's just a much more local experience. P.S. How freaking cute is that thing? Oh my god, I think that's so adorable. Love it. Okay, and then we can go into the bedroom, which is right here. There's a step here, which I almost broke my neck on earlier. So here's the bedroom. We have some more cool decorations, some bamboo plants. Here's a fan. It's helpful because it's humid as here. There's a dehumidifier. I don't know why I couldn't say that. And here's the bed. It looks really comfy. All the beds in Southeast Asia are usually really hard, and let's feel this one. Actually, this one's not that hard, so that's kind of nice. We'll see how well I sleep tonight. Here's the view from this window into someone else's backyard. And then we have a bathroom over here. So let's see. Oh, they left me a little iron and hair dryer. Here's a little closet with some hangers. And then I love this. There's like these little bamboo things. It reminds me of when I was younger and I used to put beads on my doorway. Here's the bathroom. Yeah, so this is pretty basic. I really like this tiling though. And here's the shower. In Southeast Asia, most showers just have the detachable shower head, and then he left actually quite a bit of stuff in here. There's like shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel, and I'm guessing maybe like a traveler left this. I don't know what that is. I have no idea what this thing is. There's like little jelly things in there. I really have no clue about that one. And then there's like these little bamboo curtains, and then under here is a window so you can see into the bedroom. I feel like that's really common in a lot of places I've been here recently. Yeah, so if you have more than one person here, there is no actual like door on the bathroom, so you could probably hear everything that happens in here. And how fun is this? I might just sit here and do this all night. Yeah, so that's the grand tour. It's pretty cute, I think. Has an air conditioner. That's helpful because it's just really hot in here. So that's my Airbnb here in Hanoi. This is the 4th place I've stayed in so far in Vietnam. I've been here for a week, and all the places that I've stayed have been really cheap. Most of them are under $20. This one I think was only $10 a night, but then I had like the service fee and the cleaning fee and all that stuff, which brought it up to $20 even. So if you're traveling like with someone, imagine how cheap your accommodation would be. It would be so cheap. Let me know in the comments below if you would stay here, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!